Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Linlin Acaso. I'm 36 years old. My husband name is Johnson Acaso. I have one son and I have one brother and three sisters. And I'm the second of the family. And I'm Christian. My mother's name is Losminda Peroselio. My father's name is Mr. Peroselio. And I live in Iligan City, Lanao del Norte, Philippines. And I'm vocational graduate as a caregiver. My hobbies is cleaning and cooking. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years and 11 months. And I work also as a domestic helper here in Philippines as 2 years. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn high salary to support my family here in Philippines. As a domestic helper, my duties and responsibilities are cleaning the house, car washing, care the baby, care the elderly, care the children, ironing, washing the clothes, cooking, and marketing and gardening. So all prospective employers in Hong Kong, please choose me as your domestic helper. I promise that I will do my duties and follow your rules and regulations. Thank you and God bless.